Hey, howdy, hey y'all. What's on the porch, you ask? It's my Ipsy bag. The cute little pink ice cream icicle cream pops. I always enjoy my Ipsy bags. I was not super excited about my choices for the month of June. Not that that was really Ipsy's fault, but all of the things that I had to choose from were things that I pretty much already had, so that's why we're not doing a try on in this video. Comes with a card, show your colors. Summer's coming in hot, turn up the heat with bold styles and vibrant shades that show what makes you one of a kind. After all, there's no hue as unique as you. That is just as corny as it can be. And on the inside it tells you 5 ingredients for a fruit-powered glow: papaya, watermelon, blueberries, coconut, and avocado. So let me tell you what I picked. I have a Natasha Denona palette. This is the Ayana palette. I already have this palette, but I didn't like the other choices, so I picked this because I can put that in your giveaway box after I throw it in the floor. The other thing that I picked is this SB2 by Sutra Rejuvenating Hair Serum. And I have this. I have a backup of this, and now I have another one. But out of the choices, this was the best choice, and this is really, really good hair serum. So I should have enough of this hair serum to last me for a very, very, very long time. The Natasha Denona palette retails for $48 and the hair serum retails for $45. Next we have this Mischo Beauty Nail Duo in Serving Beauty and yeah, that word that I, for some reason, right at the moment cannot pronounce. This retails for $37, and I did not know that this brand is one of Oprah's favorite brands of nail polish. Just in case any of you did not know. I love this color. Look how pretty that is. And here's the other bottle. I have gotten these, not this color, but a duo from Ipsy before, and I really liked it. So Rendezvous. See, I do know how to speak English. So the next item in my box is this triple antioxidant face cream, and it's Dr. Branded, and this retails for $64. And it's a lightweight cream that does more than just moisturize. It's packed with antioxidants to help protect your skin from the environmental aggressors that can weaken your skin barrier and lead to things like dullness, fine lines, and dehydration. $64. That's a lot for this little small bottle of face cream. And then the last item in my box is this Complex Culture Sun Bath Baked Bronzer. And this retails for $25, and it is a full size, and that's what it looks like. And it seems to have a little bit of a satiny finish to it, but when I place it on my skin it does not. Hopefully that's going to be a good color since I just stuck my finger in it. It has just a little bit of a fragrance to it, but it's pretty light. So those are all of the items from out of my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and my bag came to $219. I subscribed to Ipsy for a year when they went up on the price, so my bags cost me $24.89 a month, and I am subscribed through to November. So in November we'll see what happens as far as what the price is, but I really do enjoy my Ipsy bag even though I chose things that I already had, but that doesn't bother me because I can put those things in your giveaway box. So thank you so much for hanging out with me and watching me go through my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Make sure you show that like button some love, and as always, I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are, and we are all beautiful at any age and any size. Find something to be grateful for today, pull your makeup out and play with it, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye-bye. Christopher, do you need a popsicle bag to put some fishing stuff in to take with you? This will, you can put fishing stuff in it and roll it up and tuck it in your tackle box. You look like the kind of guy that would like pink and yellow and purple. See, there's purple. See? This little makeup fishing bag. Okay? Mama will send it to you. Alright? Mama loves you, boo.